Meaning of hog-nosed snake.
Hog-nosed snake.
Hog-nosed snake.
Hog-nosed snake.
Hog-nosed snake. A hog-nosed snake is a type of snake characterized by its distinctive upturned snout and flattened head. They are commonly found in North and South America, and can range in size from 20 to 100 centimeters in length. Despite their intimidating appearance, they are non-venomous and feed primarily on amphibians and rodents. When threatened, hog-nosed snakes will often perform an elaborate act of playing dead to deter predators. Overall, a hog-nosed snake is a fascinating and unique species of snake with many interesting behaviors and adaptations.